Theta value sort of equivalent to $1.1311 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, 1.10611.1401, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 1.1251, or so they for the most part thought. The change truly was plus 0.0060, plus 0.53%, or so they especially thought. Opposite rate, USD to Theta, or so they most certainly thought. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, so today, S exchange cost range, 1.10611.1401, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $1.17, truly most extreme 1.25, genuinely least 1.09 in a significant way. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1.21, by and large greatest 1.29, genuinely least 1.13. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1.19, truly greatest 1.27, sort of least 1.11 in a huge way. Theta figure on Thursday, April 20, cost $1.17, fundamentally most extreme 1.25, essentially least 1.09 in a quite huge way. Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $1.21, really greatest 1.29, especially least 1.13, which explicitly is very huge. In multi-week Theta conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost $1.20, in every practical sense, greatest 1.28, especially least 1.12, or so they truly thought. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1.20, exceptionally greatest 1.28, genuinely least 1.12, or so they thought. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost $1.18, truly greatest 1.26, truly least 1.10, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $1.17, especially greatest 1.25, really least 1.09. Theta gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $1.17, most certainly greatest 1.25, genuinely least 1.09. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $1.23, really greatest 1.32, certainly least 1.14 in an unpretentious way. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.23, exceptionally greatest 1.32, beautiful least 1.14, which generally shows that the change certainly was plus 0.0060, plus 0.53%, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $1.19, really greatest 1.27, least 1.11, exhibiting that especially converse rate, USD to Theta in an unpretentious way. Theta figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $1.24, by and large greatest 1.33, sort of least 1.15, showing how Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1.19, most extreme 1.27, especially least 1.11, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $1.27, especially greatest 1.36, kind of least 1.18, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Theta conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $1.24, genuinely greatest 1.33, exceptionally least 1.15, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $1.33, most extreme 1.42, certainly least 1.24 amazingly. Theta figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $1.34, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.43, in every practical sense, least 1.25, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $1.27, sort of greatest 1.36, certainly least 1.18, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Theta figure on Friday, May 12, cost $1.29, in every practical sense, greatest 1.38, really least 1.20, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $1.28, especially most extreme 1.37, fundamentally least 1.19, which sort of is genuinely huge. Theta figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $1.23, sort of greatest 1.32, genuinely least 1.14, or so they basically thought. USD to Theta conversion scale certainly equivalent to 0.8841 coins per $1 in an exceptionally significant manner. Today, S reach 0.8771-0.9041, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 0.8888, change for now 0.0047, 0.53%, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, certainly further appearance how in multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $1.20, genuinely most extreme 1.28, lovely least 1.12, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, April 17, cost 0.855 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.917, genuinely least 0.800 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.826 coins, especially greatest 0.885, sort of least 0.775, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.840 coins, really most extreme 0.901, in every practical sense, least 0.787, which by and large is very huge. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.855 coins, truly most extreme 0.917, sort of least 0.800 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, April 21, cost 0.826 coins, lovely greatest 0.885, in every way that really matters, least 0.775 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week USD to Theta forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 0.833 coins, most extreme 0.893, beautiful least 0.781 in an especially enormous way. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.833 coins, certainly most extreme 0.893, sort of least 0.781, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.847 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.909, sort of least 0.794, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.855 coins, especially most extreme 0.917, kind of least 0.800. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.855 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.917, exceptionally least 0.800, which by and large is genuinely huge. In about 14 days dollar to Theta conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost 0.813 coins, by and large greatest 0.877, genuinely least 0.758, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.813 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.877, truly least 0.758, showing how Theta figure on Friday, April 28, cost 1.